Practice Book O, page 180. Adding the letter Y to the end of some words makes a new word. Notice that Y stands for the long E sound. Snow plus the letter Y, which we know sounds like the letter E, makes what new word? Put them together. Snow, E, makes snowy. Circle the correct word, then write it on the line. The washcloth is... Which word is the right word? Yes, soapy, soapy. Circle it, and then write that word on the line. Number 2, the campfire is toast, toasty. Right, toasty. Circle it and write it on the line. Number 3, the apple feels waxy. The apple feels wax. Waxy. Write that word on the line. Go ahead and do 4 and 5 by yourself. Read the sentence and see which word sounds the best in the sentence. Circle it, then write it on the line.